This setup is a 350 TPH silica sand processing plant. It is configured with vibrating feeder, trommel screen, ball mill, spiral sand washing machine, fine sand recovery machine, belt conveyors. Use dump truck or loader for feeding the raw material to hopper. The raw material will flow into vibrating feeder and be sent to main transfer bin via a belt conveyor. The raw materials in the transfer bin will flow to 4 smaller transfer bin, then be distributed to trommel screens. Larger than 0.5 mm materials will be sent to ball mill for grinding, then the slurry will be sent transfer bin by slurry pump. Less than 0.5 mm materials will enter the spiral sand washing machine for washing twice time. The washed silica sand will be screwed up to the dewatering screen for dewatering, then be sent to stockpile by belt conveyor. Underflow will dewater the screen, and overflow from the spiral sand washing machine will be sent to hydrocyclones for classifying the particles again by slurry pump. It forms a closed loop. This plant can be designed according to the client's ore condition and requirement. Capacity can be 50 TPA, 100 TAF, 200 TAF, ECT.